welcome to my channel. It is Tay Rosé. For this video, I am going to be doing another 3-in-1 video. Wow. I'm going to be doing another 3-in-1. 3 eyeshadow looks with 1 eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette that I will be working with is the, drumroll please, the W7 Showoff eyeshadow palette. Now if you look at this, you already know the dupe. You already know the dupe that this is, okay? Okay. So I'm just going to give you a reveal in 3, 2, 1. Like, these colors are so gorgeous, and it looks just like the real thing too. It looks just like it. And W7, they have so many, I mean like so many other dupes. So if you want me to do any more dupe finds for y'all, let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to. So now in here we have 4 matte shades, and then there are tons of shimmer shades, metallics. There's 1, 2, 3. There are 6 metallic shades. There is 1 shimmer shade that I have yet to try, but I dug it out on accident. And then there are 2 pressed glitters, and that is what I have on here. So if you'd like to see how I achieve these 3 looks, and wait, let's bring it back. I did do a post not too long ago, like a while back, about which colors y'all wanted me to use, which shades y'all wanted me to use, and based on what everyone commented, I am going to incorporate those colors into each of the 3 looks. It may not all be in one look, but it's going to be in 3 different looks based on what you recommended. I at first was going to do a first impression on this palette, but then again, because of the comments and the different shades that y'all wanted to see on myself, I decided to just do a 3-in-1. But going back to what I was originally saying, if you want to see how I achieve these 3 looks using the W7 Showoff palette, then please keep watching. So the lashes for today are by Lindo. These are the Foaming Eyelashes Voluminous Dramatic 3D Lashes. That's a lot. It's a mouthful, but this is a style. I got these from my local Burlington. And then on my lips, I did the e.l.f. lip liner in Dark Cocoa. It's a glide-on lip liner. And I'm wearing the new NYX Butter Gloss Bling. This is in the shade Bring the Bling. I just want to come up close to y'all so y'all can see how pretty this is. And look at that. Beyond pretty. Alright, so for my lashes for this look, I'm wearing the AOA Pro Bionic Vegan Mink Lashes in Tyche, Tyche. I did do a review for Shop Miss A with my own money earlier this year. I'll make sure to link it in the cards. For my lippy for today, I am wearing the Thread Beauty Color It Lipstick in Truth as part of my lip liner. It gives a nice deep brown. If I could, I would do this by itself because it is a deep brown that I've been looking for. And then for the lipstick, the true lipstick, I'm wearing this Milani Matte Lip Color in Passion. Like, these two go hand in hand. You see how it's looking on my lips. I would say this is perfect for the fall, even though it still is summertime. But yes, I just needed something simple to go with the outfit and to go with the eyes. Okay. Moving on to look 3. Okay, so for obvious reasons, I am feeling this look, okay? It's just is very pretty, alright? And this is perfect for the summertime. So the lashes that I am wearing, and it's been a minute since I wore it, but this is the only pair I have left, so I'm going to save it for this week. It is these Kiss So Wispy lashes in 11. Now 11 is one of the best natural looking lashes that you'll ever get by Kiss, okay? So this is what I have. My lip combo is all e.l.f. I'm wearing this e.l.f. Glide On Lip Liner in Spill the Tea. And I'm trying a new product. This is the e.l.f. Sun Boss Gloss. And I believe it was Blush Much? Yeah, Blush Much. Or I should say Blush Much? Because they literally have a question mark at the end. Alright, so this is how it looks on my lips. Just like a light flush, literally, with the liner. Okay, so I'm just going to give you my final thoughts on this palette. Alright, so this is the, again, W7 Showoff. This is a dupe to the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collaboration project. So I'm just going to look in here. I didn't use all the shades, but again, I went on based on what was requested. The shades that a lot of you requested, okay? So that's what I was doing. I can say that the mattes that I used were truly pigmented and they can build. They were very buildable. So I do like that. Yeah, so I mean the metallics were really good. I didn't try the glitters, I'm gonna be honest. I did not try the glitters, the pressed glitters, to see if it will stick or stay. But if you want to see another tutorial using this palette, then let me know in the comments below. And then for the shimmers and metallics, that was pretty interesting. In my first look, you may have noticed that I tried a brush, like an eyeshadow brush. It was flat, tapered. It was not working. So for this palette, for the rest of look 1 and then on to looks 2 and 3, I decided to use these. This is the silicone brush. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. So this is what I used, and this is one that I actually used. And then I have another one as well. So there's 3 that comes in a pack. I can't find the third one, but I do have 3 that comes in a pack. I got these from Amazon. I'll see if I can find it and link it in the description box below. And if I can't find it, I apologize ahead of time. But this is what we are, this is what I had to work with, because it was very difficult for my brush to pick up the shimmers, and that is not good. Like, if you want that ABH quality, you need to give that ABH quality, if that makes sense. Okay, but again, not bad. Just need the silicone to really work through, because these work like your finger. Even I think this is a lot more smoother than the finger pad, so I feel like you're gonna pick up a lot more, and it's going to glide on like butter. That's what I picked up on once I started to use the silicone, that these were very buttery, the shimmers, and I'm just like, damn, only if y'all was working with a actual brush, then it would be truly amazing. But it is what it is. But yeah, I would say that I would want to say that this palette is on par because of the technique, or because it's hard to use the shimmer shades with a brush, and you have to use something that is of silicone to pick up the product. So I will say that that is I would say it's on par, but it also is Tay Rosé approved. So it's in between being on par and being Tay Rosé approved. If you want to buy this and try it for yourself, then you can look in the description box below for more information. Like I said before, W7 has tons of dupes that are out there by high-end brands. So if you do want me to try more W7 products, then let me know in the description. I keep saying that. Let me know in the comments below. Okay? Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. Check out the previous videos in the section that's coming up next. That includes a previous episode of Keeping Up with Tay Rosé, and I will see you over there. Bye.